Hello, and thank you for taking time to view this informative video brought to you by Always Care Nursing Services. Since 1974, Always Care has been a premier provider of nursing services, offering registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, home health aides, personal care aides, home managers, and companion sitters for clients in their own homes. It is my pleasure to introduce you to the wonderful nursing and assistive services provided by Always Care, the quality nursing service. Always Care is the employer of all of its caregiver personnel. As such, all employees work for Always Care under the direction and supervision of a registered nurse supervisor. Always Care skill tests or checks the credentials of its employees, reference checks them, bonds, and insures them. Always Care works with many types of clients: the elderly, mothers and babies, invalids, convalescent, and the terminally ill. As employees of Always Care, each person is paid by Always Care, and the appropriate taxes are withheld and submitted by Always Care, and therefore the client does not have to be burdened with any of these payroll responsibilities. Always Care's services are coordinated free of charge with any other providers of healthcare services which the client may use, and will work under the direction of the client's own physician. Always Care tailors its approach to the needs and goals of each individual client. Some examples of individual needs can be that of assisting with rehabilitation, maintenance of the client's independence to live alone, comfort measures, as well as support of hospice-type care. Always Care can provide skilled nursing care and procedures such as injections, administration of medications, and other special procedures which are ordered by a physician and require the skill and training of a licensed nurse. In addition, Always Care can provide more basic care and personal assistance, such as assisting the client with the activities of daily living and care needs, such as assistance with grooming, bathing, toileting, personal hygiene, dressing, ambulation, feeding, cooking, shopping, light housekeeping, and home management. Always Care also offers escort services to medical appointments and other functions such as shopping and social outings. For those clients who only need light assistance or some supervision, Always Care offers such services as those provided by a companion sitter. Always Care works with the client to make the individualized plan to provide the level and amount of service that each client needs and request from Always Care, when and where they are needed. The services of Always Care are available on an hourly basis or 24-hour live-in day basis, if appropriate for the client's condition. There is never any contract for a specific amount of services required, as they are available as needed, part-time or full-time, up to around the clock if necessary. Always Care has a coordinator on call at all times during non-office hours, and a registered nurse is always available to be called if necessary. Most of the Always Care services are on a fee-for-service basis, based on the type and level of service, and any special needs of the client or other special factors which must be taken into consideration at the time that the client and Always Care plan the level and duration of services to be provided. They are itemized by date and time and billed weekly, which makes the client's bookkeeping easier. Also, if Always Care can assist the client with obtaining any other services which he or she may be entitled to by any other federal, state, or insurance plan, Always Care will be happy to do so and work with any other such provider and/or payor source. One of the services offered by Always Care is that of private duty assistance in a hospital or extended care facility. Many times, Always Care can begin with the client in such a facility, and when the client is ready for discharge, Always Care can continue to provide the services needed to the client in their own home for as long as necessary. I hope that you've enjoyed this informative video presented by Always Care Nursing Service about the benefits of using the services of Always Care. As Always Care enters its third decade of providing quality service, remember that since 1974, as a premier provider of registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, home health aides, personal care aides, home managers, and companion sitters to clients, Always Care Nursing Service knows the value of taking care of its clients. Therefore, Always Care has adopted a corporate philosophy which is stated by its U.S. registered service mark slogan, taking care of yours as if they were ours. I would like to close by again thanking you for taking your time to view this informative video brought to you by Always Care, the quality nursing service. Always Care Nursing Service has a 24-hour phone number which is listed in the white pages, or you may obtain it from the Telephone Company Information Service. But just in case you wish to write it down, the phone number is listed at the end of this presentation. Also, the person who made this video available to you can further explain the benefits of using the services of Always Care and its nursing personnel. We hope that you will remember the name Always Care should you know of someone who may have a need for any of the services provided by Always Care, either in their own home or while in a facility. Again, thank you for your time, and here are the local Always Care phone numbers.